Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to add or change passwords in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and go to main page of your settings, and here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. Click on Face ID and passcode, and here enter your passcode, and now scroll down, and here you can see the option Change Password, and here you can change your password. If you have not set a password, then you can see a option Set Password. So this is the way to add or change password in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.